Everybody, been wanting to do this tutorial for a while. The fundamentals, basics, HTML, probably one of the most important, well, the most important language as far as the web is concerned. Basically, HTML is just hypertext markup language. Basically, it just takes tags for the files on your computer, whether it's images, PDFs, such like that, and loads them up to your browser. Basically, HTML is the foundation of modern web design. The HTML is going to be the structure of the website, the CSS is the presentation, and the JavaScript is the behavior. So things like slides and loading new pages within pages. PHP is going to be for all your backend, saving stuff to the database. And then CMS is just an overall content management system, which is basically used like WordPress, Drupal, just to manage content. So I'm going to show you guys real quick just the foundations of an HTML document. I actually have this pre-saved. So in here you can see we have a few things here. Every HTML document needs to open and close with the tag. So here you can see HTML. Here you can see our head open close, and here you can see our body open close. So basically, let's break this down. Here's our head, which is basically going to hold all the information for the browser, such as your title tag, your meta descriptions, your different scripts. And then here's your body where we can actually start to implement the HTML. Now this is a very standard layout that you're going to find with almost every single, well, you will find with every HTML document because this is the foundations of the needed parts. So as you can see here, basically this is not so important. This is basically a standard now. The title is going to be whatever your page is going to be. So let's say this is my new website. And then the body is where we can actually start to implement HTML. So everything in HTML, again, is done with tags. You can see here we have our paragraph tag. So this is our paragraph tag. And there, guys, you can see that this is our first HTML document.